This tutorial review will show you how to make Facebook profile completely private on PC and mobile. First of all, let's see the process in computer. On your computer, open Facebook and log into your account. Then click on your profile here. Click on settings and privacy. Go to settings. Select the privacy tab. And here, inside of your activity section, just set all of these options only me one by one. And then go to profile and tagging option. Also here, set all of these options only me. And that's how we can make a Facebook profile completely private on computer. Now let's see the process in mobile. In your mobile, open the Facebook app and tap on your profile menu. Tap on settings and privacy. Settings. And tap on how people can find you and contact you. Now here you have to select only me. So you have to select only me for all of these options. Then tap on back and tap on profile and tagging. And also here you have to select all of these options only me. And this is how we can make a Facebook profile completely private. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe tutorial reviewer. See you in the next video.